Hello everyone, this is Prakhar from Smart Interviews and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we have Meghna Shri with us who has successfully been placed in visa with 32.7 lakh per annum package. So today we are going to be discussing with her that how she has basically prepared for her interview rounds and how Smart Interviews played a crucial role in her journey. So let's get started.
I am Meghna, and initially, it's my parents' wish to join in the BTech, but later I got interest in lot many things like AI and cloud computing. Then I start research about like how to get placed in big companies, and then I got lot of resources from the YouTube, and then I got to know that DSA is one of the important topic in that. So we need to learn DSA. It is difficult for me to find a structured path in DSA from where to begin or what are the topics we need to learn. So then I started like slowly doing lot of questions from the different coding platforms like Lead Code and Geeks for Geeks, and that's how I started my coding journey.
Really, what motivated you to pursue like your current field of study or like work?
It's my internal call to take this engineering field and to get placed in the high top MNCs. Why? Because in our areas it gives us a more respect to be like a high package.
Okay, so can you share a bit about your educational background, like before joining the institution that you are in?
I completed my intermediate and have tried so much for to join in IITs and NITs, but I didn't able to get into it. I got a course like CNDS, which is introduced by the Smart Interviews, and it really helped me a lot in my coding journey, especially. What I mostly love about this course is, as I said before, I don't know what is the structure we need to follow for the DSA, and this course especially helped me a lot to track that structure. And um, and in this course what I like most is like for every for every question they are going to explain from brute force approach to the optimized approach, and we are going to
Mm-hmm.
learn a lot many methods in this. So
Mm-hmm.
that is the I love really most, and it's
Mm-hmm.
very difficult to stay consistent while we are coding, and
Mm-hmm.
it took a lot of efforts to be consistent. But in this course we have a lot of people and we have a very healthy competition. Like we have a dashboard in which all of our scores are tracked, so that by seeing that like everyone is coding and we are also need to be a part of this, so it helps us to be motivated and stay consistent while coding. And I would also like to mention that about the mentors, they are very helpful, and whenever we get any doubts, we can post our doubts in the Discord channel, and they gave us hints to solve that questions.
So you mentioned that you tried for IITs. I mean, like when we basically like try for something and and getting into IITs and a reputed engineering college basically is kind of a dream for every student, every Indian student who are pursuing engineering, as well as their parents' dream as well to get their son or a daughter to a reputed engineering college. So when you didn't make it to that particular college, like how was your parents' reaction?
I really felt a lot of why I didn't get into it. I have done a lot of hard work, but I didn't get into it. And my parents they encouraged me a lot. Like, don't overstress yourself. You can do better in the future. So practice for the MSET, even it is a good opportunity to join in.
Were there any challenges that you have faced or obstacles that you have faced in your academic journey?
I'm trying a lot to be more consistent and to solve a lot many questions, but still I feel
Mhm.
lot of obstacles in understanding, especially when I'm doing medium level questions. When I try to shift to hard level questions, it's really a bit
Mhm.
challenging for me, and
Mhm.
I always need to motivate myself. Like sometimes it took me like almost 1 or 2 hours to solve even a single question.
So how did you overcome them? How was that that process?
This course actually helped me a lot. The practice is a main key in this. Like I said
Mhm.
before, it took me like 2 hours to solve a particular question. And at that time, I was not consistent. It took me 2 hours, so I left that question. And after 1 week, I again going to some other questions, and it even took me more time. So I thought being consistent is the key. Even if you take like other websites, the difference I found is like in other websites, if you like not the optimized approach, but any approach is working with it. But in this,
Mhm.
especially this SI primary, we need to find the optimized approach. Like for large integers, the logic might
Mhm,
not work.
mhm,
So for every
mhm,
time, we need to find the optimized approach, which helped us
mhm,
to think more about that, and it
mhm.
really helped me to stay consistent over that journey.
Is there any particular event or a moment in your academic journey or your time with smart interviews that had a profound impact on you?
The journey itself is an impact because, as I mentioned before, at some time I don't want to do coding, so I just
Mhm.
left it beside. Like in smart interviews, every day they're tracking our progress.
And how was your learning experience with smart interviews and how did it help you?
Even if I have an interview tomorrow, I just revise the
Mhm.
CNDS notes which were taught to me.
Mhm.
In any
Mhm.
company interviews, these are the problems that even they ask us to do. After completion of this course, also, if we want any support from the team, if you post any doubt in the Discord, they're going to respond. It is one of the big, I mean, like, I'm very happy about that support that they are giving us.
Thank you for your kind words. Did you have any part time jobs or internship while studying, and how did those experiences contribute to your personal growth?
I was not any internships, but after completion of the CNDS course, I have again joined as a mentor for my juniors in CNDS only. It helped me
Mhm.
like realize even the edge cases also matter. Whenever our mentor poses a question, they are trying to solve in different approaches. But everyone has their uh, own style of solving, and which helped me to think in many other ways.
Okay, so are there any specific academic achievements that or awards that you would like to highlight?
There are small achievements like presentation, winning presentations, or participating in coding contest and getting in the top 10. After the smart interviews, the achievements like I don't have any, but it helped me in cracking a job interviews. We have different coding rounds. I attended different
Mhm.
interviews.
So, now that you've got the job, what's your family's family reaction, and how was your father and mother reacted to it? If you like to tell us, like from your side.
Everyone was very happy about it. The day when the interviews got completed, from that day onwards, everyone is eagerly waiting to get the results.
We are also happy for you and really, really congratulations on your achievement. If I ask you to explain smart interviews in one word or a sentence, what would it be?
If you want to crack any good company, just go for this smart interview course. Or don't have any second opinion like we need to choose this or not. Definitely, it's a worthwhile course.
So, would you recommend smart interviews to others?
It's a highly recommended course. Even I told to my juniors and even sub juniors to take this course for sure.
Mhm.
It's really highly helpful, and you can also learn a lot many things.
Thank you, Meghna. Thank you for your time and thank you for doing this. All the best for your future endeavors. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you liked it. To enjoy more content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel and please let us know in the comments what other content would you like us to create. Thank you once again and we'll see you in the next Smart Success video.